everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to see how the upcoming month of May is going to be for your zodiac. Now, talking about the Virgo zodiac, so for the Virgos, for the love life for this month, it seems like if you're single, then it is likely that you can get some new connections, but you may not be very confident when it comes to pursuing that connection. It is also likely that there can be more than one connection coming into your life, so you can find yourself having that difficulty to eventually making a choice. It is also likely that you can also find difficulty when it comes to managing your personal and professional life. So there can be multiple things going on, and then this new connection adding up in your life can make you quite busy as well. And if you're already in a relationship, then again it seems like there can be multiple things that your focus and attention can be on. So somewhere managing a relationship with it can be a challenge for you, but it seems like you have to find that balance and that harmony to eventually lead this relationship towards something good. It is just you have to maintain the balance this month. Overall, this can be a good time for both of you and your partner. It is also likely that somewhere, because of your decision or because of your choices, there can be some disruption in your relationship, and it is something that you can overcome with more communication and harmony. But just make sure that the right balance is there in your connection. And now, talking about your career wise, it seems like this can be a month where you can put a lot of focus when it comes to building things, or enhancing your skills, and it is the actual key to eventually lead towards bigger growth in your life. So if you feel that you want to have certain things, you have some goals in your mind, then working on your skills is very important. Staying dedicated without much of distractions around is very essential for you. So this can be a month where you can just be very, you need that focus on your career, you need that focus on your work to eventually get what you're looking for or what you're planning for. So that focus and discipline is important. And you would also be appreciated for your skills because you have that resources as well, so you know what you're doing. And when it comes to your finances, that financially, this can be a month where you can get some new opportunities around you, which can also be emotionally fulfilling. Maybe some new projects, some new financial opportunities can be there. So whatever you are having till now, you can have that open source or some idea to create another source of finances, and everything can also be there. You can feel there's a positive shift when it comes to finances, and it can be more like on a beginning stage. Get the idea, to eventually execute it, you have to do things more according to your plans and everything. And talking about the oracle message for you, it is actually potion, which means remember to practice self love. And yes, within all of these situations, like we discussed, that there can be a lot of work, lot of responsibilities, everything to handle this month. But the essential thing is to actually take out that time for self love as well. So do not just get overwhelmed with everything that is happening around. Make sure you are taking your time for yourself as well, just to make yourself feel good and better. And yes, overall this month can be a good month for you, and all the very best.